Nibuyile namhlanje na cha ake nizokwenza i-follow up kwakune list ayikade isubmithiwe. Ngangena ngaphakathi ithini into?
I-list abantwana abadinga space la ngaphakathi bawu-66.
Yes.
Abawu-40 something babo abazali abasuka nje ekhathi kuneyikhukhula bangayithola indawo babekwa la uhulumeni.
Oh yes.
So azange bakhethe ngisho ukuzohlala la kule neighborhood. So ama options abo mancane. Sinebe nemibuzo kembala ku principal. Into esenzile futhi namhlanje silethe ngisho umuntu aka Home Affairs.
Yes.
Ngoba sicelile impela ukuthi engage no principal indaba yo verify ama documents. La ngaphakathi bese siyabacela ukuthi balungisele i-deportation.
Yes.
Ngoba sibhizi silokhu sikhuluma ngomthetho kodwa khona umthetho obizwa nge-immigration Immigration Act la South Africa silokhu siwuziba. Ukhuluma ngomuntu la eSouth Africa ngomthetho. Awukazi usho lo mthetho ukuthi lo muntu fanele athole isikole. Awukazi usho ukuthi lo muntu umuntu omncane, umuntu omdala, umuntu ogugile. Ithe nje umuntu ongene ezweni ngokungemthetho. So le ngane ilanga phakathi. Siyazi usingane, siyazi mhlambe ezinye iletha abazali babo asinankinga nalokho kodwa la isime khona thina uthi ungena ngongemthetho ezweni akuvumelekile. Therefore nabo ngisho abafeni abazali babo abahambe beyolungisa amaphepha ukuze ngishabe kuthiwa kuyabudgetwa ke ezikoleni budgethelwe kwazi ukuthi khona izingane zaseKongo noma ezaseNigeria ukuze nalezi ezala eSouth Africa mase ibonakala ukuthi hayi ke sefanele zenze space for abanye si accommodate si plan ngisiya plan ovela uvuke ekseni nje usekugcwele izikole yabo you plan uyabona ukuthi okay khona izingane zangaphandle ezu100 ezayo asi accommodate ezikoleni ezukuthi lento ayenzeki ke la eSouth Africa. eSouth Africa ingane zangaphandle izona ezithola izikole awazi uzubabone abazali bazo zibehlupheka njengathi bese bazokutshela ukuthi ba-apply kuqala ngisho bekuthiwa apply kuqala at the end of the day ingane yase South Africa yala wena uyena wala ukuthi u-apply kuqala wavuka kuqala if uthi wena ingane yakhe ine rights to education ama-private school avuliwe hamba uyifundisa khona akekho ozokufika angeke sile sibalwisa asinandaba thina nokuthi kube zonke le ngane zabo bayifundisa ezikoleni lezi ezisema-building lezi abayirejisile zo-private school bani asinankinga nalokho inkinga nje these public schools are not for foreigners and they never will be and if yabo njengoba ngangisho yasekuqaleni ukuthi sifuna abameli aba-proudly South African bake babe nathi bezoyilwa lento ngoba uhulumeni is taking us for a ride uhulumeni wethu kahle kahle wona oyi-biggest instigator yalento and kuzothi mase sabantu sebe-frustrated ngoba uhulumeni akasinakile abantu abathanda ukudlala ipolitiki bazobe bebuka le ama-interview ethu bathi thina sasi-instigate violence nani kunini sincenga
unyaka uphelile last year
lezi ngane eziwu-66 fanele senze njani siqhubeke sincenge
doesn't make sense
ngoba abantu bejaha ukudefenda ama-political parties abo baze bathathe ngisho into ezibalekile bangazenzi ibaleke ngoba bazi ukuthi bazogijima bethi nje hayi nilwa nosibanibani asinandaba nama-political party enu thina asinandaba at the end of the day sovotela lento esifuna uyivotela masifuna uyikhankasela futhi lento esifuna uyikhankasela soyikhankasela akekho futhi ozosiyekisa it's our democratic right but if we have to call into account abantu who are not doing their job asinandaba ukuthi ukiphi i-political party sizokwenza
Jacinta lately noma ngathi after i-gathering lebe ikhona la Eddington Primary School kube le support enkulu oyitholile ku social media nakwezinye nje inhlaka nakubantu ababuye endaweni ezihlukene you even got a song umuntu who wrote a song and recorded a song about umsebenzi owenza kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi abantu bayayibona lento oyipreacher every day.
Anginandaba honestly about me as a person because personally if I could tell you this doesn't affect me at all.
Yes.
Yabo at all mina ngeke nje uzungifice kuthiwa ngimile ngistrugglisha ukuthola ispace for isikole sengane ngeke ungibone nje nginalezo inkinga yabo so it's not about me ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto awuzenzi because zingawe I'm not doing it because I need a song written about me I appreciate it I appreciate the support but it's not about me I wish they would realize because instead of supporting me support what the movement is saying which is come and defend South Africa the biggest thing here is South Africa mina mangibheda ngizobheda nami ngumuntu ngelinye ilanga but instead of making it about me make it about yourself make it about your children make it about their future yabo abanye bathi ngifuna ukuvotelwa what angisanda ndaba mina ukuthi what people say ukugxekwa kufana nokunconywa ukunconywa sengayifundisa ungikufaka ekhanda ngoba mase ngigxekwa ngeke ngikwazi futhi ukumela ukuthi ngiyagxekwa so kuyafana kumina even though I appreciate abantu who don't come negative yabo I appreciate abantu even bengibona ngi-wrong they engage yabo abadeleli bakuthuke what but unfortunately asikho kwi-society enjalo which is fine futhi nakhona but it's not about Jacinta it's not about Jacinta trying to be a hero or whatever one day all of this decide ukuthi ngiyayeka yabo ngihlale phansi it won't mean that the problem is solved it will still require South Africans to stand up for themselves and fight for this country not for you but for your children ngoba if I wish a lot of people would read African history or even other countries as well and realize how many African countries have had this problem last night where people come from other parts bezothoba displaced la into another country ngoba qamba manga bathi amaborder nje into ayingekho they come into this country kuliwe in Congo they have the same problem right now umuntu aqhamukele ezolwa ethi izwe lakhe leli this is where we are heading as a country sizogcina sesi ashamed ukuba umZulu umXhosa umTswana umpedi ngoba sobe sesitshela ukuthi fanele sikhethe it's either we your Rubies or Igbos kufanele siba Muslim masingawona sizofa that's the direction that we're going
last question iBMA okuyi-border management agents iyakhala ngokuthi lapha emngceleni abazitholi insiza abalishayeli ikhwela kuhulumeni ukuthi sicela insiza ama-resources ukuze simelane nabantu abeqa umngcele ngokungemthetho kodwa kubuke ukuthi over time abalitholi usizo kwenza ukuthi i-leak iqhubeke lapha
I think nje if ngingakhulunywa nje ngohulumeni ongekho serious uhulumeni wethu yabo izola deska home affairs siye kwile white paper immigration consultation yakhona sacela siyacela ukuphuma kulento ye-United Nations yabo obiyona les compromise kangaka imithetho ebhedayo nje engasile like nje for example if qhamuka umuntu ngifuna ukunika example yento eshiwo as a fact eyenzakala la ezweni lethu bese niyangitshela ukuthi iyayenza in sense leyo nto umuntu angasuka eEgypt or eBotswana or lamazwe lawa ne death penalty yabo eyisigebengu eqe abalekela uhulumeni wakhe eze la athi ngibalekela ukuthi ezweni lami bafuna ukungifaka kwi death row uyazi ukuthi la eSouth Africa siyaphoqeleka ukuthi imthathe leyo muntu yes masimthatha hayi kusombopha somdedela nje la emphakathini ukuthi aphile ngoba sikwazi phela akasafikile ngecala makushiwo la usefike ngokuthi akufanele abulawe ezweni lakhe njengamanje kuthiwa khona indoda yaseBotswana yenze ubugebengu obunyantisayo la yabo isiyaqeda isentence yayo fanele ngabe ya deport ibuyiselwa khona eBotswana kuthiwa i-apply ukuthi ingabuyiselwa ngoba mayifika le izoba kwi death row ngoba khona ubugebengu babuthatha serious akufani nala so lana siyaphoqeleka ukusikhiphe izophila la eSouth Africa nathi ngoba thina siyibanana republic leyo efanele wonke umuntu enze umathanda wakhe and nobody cares about our safety and that's the saddest thing about all of this is that we are not safe angase ngisho kangaki we are not safe in this country ngabonile amabhazuka abangena nawo lapha emngceleni namanje asikaze sithole ukuthi lo muntu wayewaletha wayezowenzani sino illegal mining sinama bomb sinama cash in transit sites hayi ngoba bengazi usaqhamuka lawo makhaya bazi kahle hayi mina ngikhathele ukukhuluma guys ngihlezi ngikhuluma sengikhathele nami I wish ama South Africans now angajoyina ngoba ngikhathele
badlala indima yabo
yabo njengamanje silela izingane lase South Africa ukuthi ithola isikole bakhona ngiyaba-appreciate futhi laba abafikile namhlanje
Yeah.
benza umsebenzi omuhle oncomekayo so qhubeka silwe ngalamandla asanawo kodwa don't push us too far to a point la sesikhathala khona
Yeah.
ngoba uyibona ngathi inkinga i-affect namhlanje kodwa kusasa uzobe ususidinga futhi.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you.